This time on Pull House Blackpot Weekend Getaways, we continue our visit to Lead Mine Conservation Area. Last week we fixed blueberry turnovers. This week we attend part of Wagons for Warriors. And we fix one of our favorite meals, summer squash, zucchini, peppers, and onions, and country ribs.
I think they're done, hon. Okay, I think we're packed up.
We're ready to start our day. We don't know exactly where we're going in Lebanon, so we're leaving a little early.
Yep, so we can get to the parade part of the Wagons for Warriors.
And of course, I forgot a couple things. We gotta go to the store now too.
That's all right. There's a grocery store and a Walmart, I think, there in Lebanon. I know there's a grocery store.
And we know there's a Starbucks here too.
Yeah,
so.
we need some good coffee and go to that. So, all right, we're on our way.
They got a quarter scale one right there.
So look at it inside.
Well, they don't have it up. Tomorrow they'll show more of it. We missed the parade.
Yeah, we took by Google Maps, took us to a
Gravel road.
That was a gravel road and a low water crossing that was high watered, so we didn't go through. So the time we got there, the parade was over, but we're gonna do a little looking around, and some of them are still not set up yet, but it's already pretty cool. Pretty neat, isn't it?
Yep. And to see what it looks like tomorrow.
Yeah, there'll be a lot more people here tomorrow, though, so we can get a little walk around while it's not quite as many people. Angel, look at that.
I know, it's a big skillet, isn't it?
I think that's a big skillet, isn't it? Yep. cool being here the day before the
Event.
main event because we can see a lot of them setting up. But that's pretty neat.
So wet out there, though.
Oh well, yeah, we've been raining. That it's interesting. Most all of them were back in, of course, the original wagons from the cattle drive days back in the late 1800s. But we also had a World War II Army camp kitchen. That was pretty neat too. You didn't even think about seeing something like that back here. So that's gonna be a fun day tomorrow.
Yep.
Also get to eat some food tomorrow. That's gonna be tasty.
Well, we made it back.
Got back from town, did a little
Shopping.
shop
Picked up
there.
You know, every time we go camping, I forget one thing. And this
Yeah,
was an important thing for tomorrow night. But anyways, we did go and we tried to go see the parade, but I think I'm kind of happy that we didn't.
Yeah, we got there late. We missed that, but
We don't think there was any parade of chuck wagons. We think it was just wagons.
yeah.
But the
So,
chuck
all right.
wagons looked pretty
That's gonna
interesting.
be
They
fun
were
tomorrow.
setting up,
Yeah.
yeah.
So,
So we've got our dinner cooking now, and hopefully we'll be able to talk at you again. If not, we'll talk over it.
yeah, we had some
Music that we didn't
music
want on there.
going on that was pretty loud next door, so we really couldn't do too much audio because you can't have, people like
Garth
Garth Brooks and those
George
on.
Strait and all them
We don't
well-known
have, yeah,
people.
doing that while we're trying to do video. 'Cause,
Not and potentially get paid for our videos.
well, YouTube kind of frowns on that.
Yes, they
So,
do.
Anyway,
So,
yep, dinner's cooking. Supper, whatever you call it.
we're going to have spare ribs. No, pork ribs.
Country
Country
style
ribs.
pork ribs, yeah.
And something we showed a couple weeks ago, we'll link that down in the description below, are peppers, onions, and zucchini. We like that. We have that quite frequently.
Yeah.
But we're going to show you how we fix that. So
All right.
we're going to keep a cooking our country ribs. Almost said spare
Country
ribs
ribs,
again.
yep. Doing a little different style we've really never done that way.
Well, we've done it kind of that way in a crock pot, but
yeah. So they're cooking
This
in
will
the
be
Dutch
a whole
oven
lot
now over
better.
the fire, and then we're gonna put them over rearrange the wood coals and kind of grill them a little bit and with a little bit of barbecue sauce and kind of caramelize the sauce real quick when they're pretty much done in that Dutch oven. So, alrighty, we'll be back.
yep. As we enjoy our dinner, that about does it for this weekend getaway. If you like this video, please help us out by liking on YouTube, sharing on Facebook and Instagram, and give us a comment or two on what's your favorite camping menu. Next time on Pole House Black Pot Weekend Getaways, we actually go to Wagons for Warriors.
Do you really? What's it called? It's called Pole House Black Pot Weekend Getaway. What do? Just kind of cook our cargo trailer into a chuck wagon camper.
While we're there, we meet this well-known cowboy cook. We also find a wonderful coffee shop that is not Starbucks.